Ooh, yeah. Touch me slow, touch my soul. Give me that healing love. Yeah.
Lately my heart's been heavy, walking around with
Shadows in my mind. I've been searching for a fire, something warm, something strong, something divine. You move like a quiet sunrise, gentle light in the corners of my pain. Every word you whisper to me feels like golden water in the rain. Hold me in your rhythm, baby. Let the calm in your